going to show you how to place a cabin air filter on a 2014 Nissan Pathfinder. There's different ways I've seen online. One of them is just kind of folding the air filter up like an accordion and pulling this panel off down here and then kind of feeding it in from the bottom. But you can't get any access from there really, and you know, you're crushing the air filter. It's hard to tell if it's seated properly, and I don't know how you can vacuum out that chamber where the air filter goes. And it was really dirty when I changed mine. So what I did, I pulled the glove box out, and it was pretty easy to do, and I could get good access. I didn't have to crumple up the filter. So basically, just open it like this, okay, and just recognize you got 8 of these bolts. 1, 2, 3. Let me get my light here. And then you got 2 more in there, right there and right there. And then underneath, you got 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's under there. And so you take those out, right? And after you take those out, the glove box won't fall out because it's got a couple retainers inside. Now I'll show you how to get those loose. Basically, you can start out, I mean, I got a trim tool here. I can just stick it in here like this, right? But if you don't, just go like that, okay? And that comes out. See, I've done this several times, so it seems to be okay. And now, to release the glove box after you pull those 8 screws out, all you do, let me see if I can get the light in here. Okay, there's a couple clips you gotta, well, actually one. There was only one clip. I think you can see it like this. Let me see. There it is. See where the light's aimed at right there? The tip of the light looks like 2 rails. If you slide a screwdriver in between those rails, see how they engage in the plastic? There's a little metal clip in between those rails. You push down that clip and that guy releases. The other side doesn't have metal clips that you release. If it does, it didn't work that way for me. I just kind of pulled on it, you know, I wiggled it and pulled on it, and it dropped right out. This seems to be the one that holds it in. And that's all it takes to get this thing out of here. Now look, now my light is burned out, so I got to replace that light inside. But up in here, you got a light. There you go. Make sure when you release this glove box that you don't let it come all the way down to the floor, because it could damage that wire. That's all you really gotta do, get this thing out, and it makes it really easy getting that air filter changed out. I just want you to see, when you take out the glove box, you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's one down there. And then 8, 6, 7, 8 screws to take out. I lost the screw. I can't find it. It's like it's supernatural. It's just not meant to be found. I looked all over for it, and I saw it fall out. So there's this one up here. So, but either way, be careful you don't lose the screws. And then on the back, this is tricky because once you take the screws out, see this clip? Push down here to release this. Okay, I figured that out by fooling with it. But if you just push down that metal tab, and you'll be able to access this when you remove the side cover here. Press down there, and then you got another one down here. That kind of came out on its own for me. And then you got a few little clips, like guides over here. Let's see, this is like a little guide. That is, and that is. And this is just from the door. So you don't undo those. So now I'm gonna put this thing in. One other thing, make sure you remember to disconnect this little light. That's going to be down in this little hole on the side here. See? Right there. It's hard to see. But I got a light over here. I can show you. There it is, right there. So what you do is you just press on that. I took a little screwdriver and where'd I go? Yeah, I just pressed on it and it popped out. You may be able to rotate it. Oh, here it is, right here. It does rotate and pop out. But this little clip right here, that guy, that little clip, I can see the light in here. Here, now you can see the clip. That little clip goes right in that hole, right here. So, see how it's shaped? So what you can do is you can get under it with a screwdriver and just press right on the top part of that clip, and it just releases. So when you pull out this glove box, make sure you support it so it doesn't yank down on this guy. Just want to point out something. See these clips right here? They engage where they engage. See that guy down there? There's a clip down there, and that engages in that hole. And again, you release those tabs by pushing down on them. You release. What you want to make sure you do, see this? In order to get the glove box out, you want to pop this loose. See? Right here. It just pops right out. I didn't even use any tools. I could have used my trim tools. You know, but it just popped off so easy. I just went with it. And then, right, let me get my screwdriver. I'm going to show you something here. Okay. Let me see, get the light up here a little bit. Okay. There. Let me just throw that in there like that, maybe there. So you can see it. Okay, right here. Do you see right there? I'm hitting that. In between those two little rails is a metal clip you got to release. When you release that, and then you do the same right down in here. Yeah, right down in between those two little rails. Let me see, inside there, right in there. This side will drop out. That's how you release it. If I had more light, I could point a little bit better here. I want to show you how to do this. Right in here. This guy right there, I don't see where you can press the rail down. This just slid out for me when I took it out. But this part up here, I had to actually, this is in my way. Here, now we can see it. See right there? We're looking at the side of it here. Right here. See? What you do is, in the top of this, if you look down, you'll see a metal clip. That's where you want to push to release it. As soon as you do that, this thing's dropping out, because I already got all the screws out. This side over here has similar clips, but they're not metal. You can just kind of pull on it. It releases on its own. At least that's the way it worked for me. But so far, all I did was remove this guy here. And I removed this guy right here from the bottom. Down there. Right. And 8 bolts. And then you're about ready to remove that glove box. Look at all the access you got now. Right in here. Allows you to go in there. See that? Let me see if you can see it. I know I can see that. There. See? I could vacuum all that out now because I got room to get in there. A lot of material where the old filter was. It came out pretty easy though. There's your air filter right here, cabin air filter. Notice the airflow right here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if you can see the arrow. Alright. It goes in just like that. Because there's your airflow. Just like that. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in, okay? And I'm gonna show you how easy it is. Let me see. See the arrow right there. Okay. So this is the way it goes. Just like that. In the vehicle. Right up in there like that. So now I'm gonna put it in there. I'm gonna show you how I got it started. I'm trying. What I do is I just get this bottom end in here. Right here. See? Right here. Look. That's all I did. Now watch. Get the top end up here. Let me see if all I'm gonna do, push the top in a little bit. Right there. Now look. There it goes. Right up in here. Look. I didn't have to crush it up like an accordion, like they show you on those other videos. Look. It's easy. Look, there it is. I did it with one hand. Not that I'm anybody. It's just because when you take the glove box out, you can get at things. So there it is. And I'll just turn the view just so you can see in here. See how it is? I recessed it a little bit, and then it like expands lengthwise and pops in there. So then I should be able to install this piece. And by the way, this is the first time I've done this, so I'm thinking, how does this engage? Maybe it... Ah, I see it. It's got a cutout in here. Alright, let me see how we do this here. Oh, I'm going to have to turn this off. Alright, so the top just engages here, up top, and then this guy just snaps like that. Let me see how the top looks. Okay, there it is. I think that's it. Gosh. Okay, so just put that piece in right here. If you put the top part of this piece in place, top part of this piece up there, engage it, and then snap this shut like that.